Time for your checkup. Gonna check your ears, check your eyes, find out how much you've grown. Time for your checkup.
What's it?
It's okay if you giggle. Hey, how about this one? Thank you, Doc, for taking all the ouchies away. And I feel better, so much better now. You want Daddy to open? Say, Daddy, open.
Open.
Okay.
Open, Daddy.
Open, Daddy.
Open, Daddy.
You open another one and Daddy will get this one ready.
Here, you open another one. You try? You try?
You try?
Open another one. Open another one. Try that one. I don't even know what we got here, but... Who's that? Bubble Guppies. Bubble Guppies.
That's Molly.
Is that Molly? Hey, Molly?
Mommy.
Molly, that's right. Whatever you're saying, I know that's something to do with it. Do you understand that, Dale? What's she saying?
I don't know. What's the thinking? Here.
I'm outside.
Katie, look. Look, look, look. Katie, look. You try?
The big one, the queen mother of dirty words, the F dash 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 word. That's what I thought you said.
Can you give me a big Christmas smile? Say cheese.
What would it be?
Christmas.
The guillotine
Oh,
hanging the
Christmas.
chair, the rack,
Give me your
the
ears.
Chinese
Listen to your heart.
orchard trip. Mere child's
boom,
play
boom,
compared to what
boom,
surely
boom.
awaited me.
Here, leave, no. I want to get a picture of that. Here, leave them in your ears for a minute. Just leave them in.
That's mine,
Here,
right?
you put them like here. Perfect. Okay, now you can take them out. Oh, that works. Do it again. Let's get you a checkup.
You know what your son just said? What he said. Ready?
Here, figure out how to open it, will you?
Yeah, hold on.
Ears.
You figure out how
Ears. Yeah, that's in your ears. Yeah. Doc McStuffins' bag. Hey. And who's this? Is this Molly?
Mommy.
Yeah, Molly. Make Molly sing. Push her button. Hey, you try. Push her button. Hey. Push Molly's button.
Bye. Bye.
Say it with me. Let's rock.
What?
Let's rock.